Hello friends, in this video we will discuss about how to turn on internet speed meter on notification bar in mobile. As you can see on my cell phone screen, it is showing the internet speed in kbps or in mbps. By enabling this setting, you will get to know that what is the speed of internet and how much data is consumed. Sometime what happens, our mobile data exhausted due to multiple connection through Wi-Fi or mobile data. In that case, real-time network speed can help you to find out how much data is consuming by the other person if you share your internet through Wi-Fi hotspot. I'll show you the full process of this setting, so watch the entire video and do subscribe to the channel for more videos. So let's begin the video. So as you can see, this is my mobile Realme 9 Pro Plus. Let me show you the status bar. So it is not showing the internet speed now. So I have disabled the internet speed meter. I'm gonna enable this setting. So first of all, open your setting. Now just scroll down a little bit and select notification and status bar option. And after that, just click on status bar option. So as you can see, we'll get to see so many options here. Now here, you just need to enable the real-time network speed option. After enabling it, you can see the real-time network speed on top side of your cell phone. So this was a video about how to enable the real-time network speed on your status bar in your phone. Do like and share to this video and do subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.